I wanted to go over a little bit of the basics of how the solar panel works. There were some questions on that. So this is pretty much the diagram we have in class, but I'm going to draw it here. So we use blue to be the solar panel. And remember, there's a couple layers in there. There's 2 layers. All right, so that's the solar panel. And we're going to have red be the energy from the sun, which is called a photon. Light from the sun. There'll be this little particle here. And then we're going to use black to be the electrons. We're going to give it a little symbol of E minus. So what happens is a photon comes down and it hits one of these electrons. And then that makes that electron move down to here. And then the electron wants to go back to here. It's comfortable here. When it does that, a charge is given off. And we can collect all those charges over here. We can kind of funnel those all down to our inverter. And then we can funnel those to our electrical equipment. Well, sometimes a photon hits an electron and the electron doesn't move back, so we don't get a charge. Sometimes the photon goes through and just misses an electron, so we don't get a charge. A lot of this energy is just absorbed by the panel and becomes heat. All right, so those are the inefficiencies. Sometimes the electron doesn't move, sometimes it gets missed, sometimes the sun energy just gets turned to heat.